Introducing the 2008 Chevrolet Trailblazer. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, a trailer hitch, a roof rack, and cruise control. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.